All right, we're gonna show you how to change the cam sensor on a 2001 Chrysler Sebring with the 2.7 liter. It's over here on the passenger side of the engine, behind this radiator hose here. Right here. It's got one bolt on it and a connector, and it just slides in. I'm gonna remove the red safety on that connector using a flat bladed screwdriver. Wiggle it loose, and the bolt is here right below. It's a stud actually. A ratcheting wrench would be good, but we don't have that out here in the bush. After you get the bolt out, grab the sensor, pull it out toward the passenger side. There we go. And you just slide it back in. Might want to lube up that O-ring. Make sure you put it in the way it came out, with the bolt hole facing down. It's not round, it may not twist. The sensor part anyway that goes in the engine isn't round. Take the stud, put it back in. Plug it back in, clear the code, and see how it runs. Thanks for watching.